How to manage flight schedules here on Singapore Airlines. So here on the Singapore Air, to manage your flight schedules, here I'll be teaching you how to manage it. So, and yeah, how to do that. So now all we need to do is open up our Singapore Air. Once we open up our Singapore Air, all we need to do is click on the three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner right there. There you go, as you can see right there. Press on that right there. After pressing on that right there, you'll be located right here. Once you're located right here, click on the settings, not the settings icon, click on the, what do you call this? Flight schedule right there. After pressing on the flight schedule right here, you can now manage your schedules and flight. Either it's a one-way flight or a return flight right here. There you go. All you need to do is put in the city. For example, we're going to do that. And next city right here. Then date. Then search. Now we'll be able to search the flight that we want. There you go. There you go. As you can see. There you go. It's now loading up. So once it's loaded up, you have to wait for a few seconds. There you go, as you can see. Oh, it's a little bit loading. There you go. Now you can choose the flight that you want right here. Flight schedule right here. Choose this one right here. There you go. Then choose another one right there. So yeah, there you go, guys. Now you can just click on book. You can book trip. You will be taken to the booking widget. Select the number of passengers and preferred cabin class before continuing with your booking. Then there you go. All you need to do is click on proceed. Then you're done. And then you can now see your trips. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always leave it a question below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on How to Rock It. And thank you, guys.